Hey guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. I'm back to share some really cute, fun Halloween gifts that I received from Armin, Happymailqueen. Hey girl. So we got together a couple weeks ago for the Scrapbook Expo and again this past weekend to do some shopping and hanging out. So she gave me some really fun things, so I wanted to share. I know Halloween is just a few days away, but maybe you're still crafting and making last minute things, so you might get some ideas or inspiration. But she always gives me the cutest little bags and packaging. So this is one of the bags, and then this is the other one. So I thought these were super cute and fun, and I love this bow made out of the spider web glitter tool, and this cute little rosette in the center there. I hope you can see it okay. My lighting is not the best today, sorry about that. So super cute, and she's given me this cute little tumbler filled with candy for my son. So thank you so much for thinking of him. He's always super excited, and he already took all the candy out of this cute little tumbler, so I can't wait to use that. And then I'll go through the handmade goodies first, because I think they're just so sweet. And Armin, she makes everything just so nice and perfect. So there's this little tag here that she made with the Pinkaboo paper collection from Michaels, and I love the way she fussy cut the pumpkins and these little ghosts there, and then just layered the tags with a cute bow and this little tassel. So there's that tag, super cute. And then this, I saw her video on these, and I thought this was so fun and such a cute idea. So she made these little pockets and added another pocket going across the front there, so it's like a double pocket. So, and it has one of these super cute bat bows on the front here with the cute little skull. And on the inside pocket, the front pocket here, she's got a cute little cat paper clip. Love that. And then these cute little like candy embellishments, which I don't have this die. And I love this little bat. I think he's so cute, and he looks like all upset and mad. So cute. And then on the inside, she added another tag here with a cute little tassel. And then I was so happy she included these die cuts in here, because I don't have any of these word dies, and they're so cute. And I love the paper she used. The black is like a shiny cardstock, and the top, of course, is like a really pretty pink glitter. So love that. And this one here that says candy. I'm not sure if these are from Queen and Company. I think maybe they might be. So there's this one here too that says treat. So thank you for those. I love those and can't wait to use them. And then she gave me this cute little pizza box with some goodies inside. And I've been resisting until after this video. So she had, I think, one or two more in there, but those are gone. And then I love these dies too, the trick or treat, these cute little kids, silhouettes of them trick or treating. And then she highlighted the little pumpkins here and added bling. And another one of these super cute little bats. I think I'm going to have to get that one. So cute. Just love them. And then she gave me a really cute handmade card. And it's using the Hey Pumpkin, I think, from crepe paper, maybe. And super cute. It's a shaker. And I love this die in the front, too. And just all her little details. She's got so much attention to detail in her projects. So super cute. This little bow with the bling, a little spider web here, pumpkin, and a little bat up here at the top. And just super cute cards. So thank you for that. Love your handmade cards. And then she included some more just little goodies for me to use. So there's these wood pieces, super cute skull with the little bow, and then the one that says trick or treat. She gave me some trims, which I did not find from Joann's. This really pretty one with the orange sparkly pom-poms, and then this one so cute with the spiders. So thank you for these, for the trims. Like I said, I didn't do a whole lot of shopping, or I just don't get out at the right time. So don't always find everything. So love these. I was on the hunt for these and never saw them. So thank you so much. She picked up a pack of these holographic spiders for me from Walmart. So cute. And then she also picked up a pack of these, which I found one, but it was for another friend. So I was so happy to get a pack from her. It's one of those things. I picked it up for someone else, and then once you look at it, you're like, oh my gosh, it's so cute, and I want one too. But so thank you, Armin. I appreciate it. Love those. And then this cute little sticker pack, which again, I am just loving these little faces. Look at, he's so mad. And this one, so cute. So thank you so much for all my gifts and all of the beautiful handmade goodies that you shared. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed taking a look. And Armin, I'll link her information down below. I'm sure you already follow her, and she is Happymailqueen here on YouTube and on Instagram as well. So not sure if I'll do another video before Halloween. I really want to, but I'm not sure if I'll have the time. So anyways, I hope you guys have a really happy Halloween and be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.